Hello everyone, my name is Aiden James H. Orsel, a student researcher in San Agustin National High School. Now I will present you my IMRAD article titled Effectiveness of Eden Pesticide in Killing Mosquitoes. Abstract. This study compares the effectiveness of a homemade pesticide made from onion, sugar, liquid soap, and vinegar against a commercial pesticide in killing mosquitoes. The commercial pesticide worked faster compared to the homemade version, while mosquitoes in the control group live for an average of 472.5 seconds. Statistical analysis confirmed a significant difference among the group. While slower, the homemade pesticide offers a natural and eco-friendly alternative for mosquito control. Introduction. Mosquitoes pose a serious public health risk, especially in tropical areas like Barangay Caboy, due to their role in spreading diseases such as dengue and malaria. This study investigates the causes of increased mosquito populations and evaluates a homemade pesticide as a potential eco-friendly control measure. The research aims to guide local health officials and community members in developing effective mosquito control strategies. Research questions. This study was undertaken to promote eco-friendly pesticide and protection from pests. Especially, this sought to answer the following questions. First, is the Eden pesticide effective against pests? Second, can this pesticide solve the problem about mosquitoes? Hypothesis. If the DOA product containing sulfur compounds is used on pests, then the pest will die on the solution. Literature review. Aerosol pesticides. According to Sintford 2005, aerosol pesticides are commonly used for pest control but can be harmful to the environment due to their chemical composition and airborne dispersion. Onion. According to Mabulambo 2018, onion contains bioactive sulfur compounds that has antimicrobial and insecticidal properties, making it a potential natural pesticide ingredient. Liquid soap. According to Vababsabe 2018, liquid soap acts as a surfactant, helping distribute active ingredients and breaking down exoskeleton. Sugar. According to Akayaba 2018, sugar is commonly used as a food preservative but also has application in bioenergy. It may act as an attractant in the pesticide formula, luring mosquitoes to the solution. Lastly, vinegar. According to Daniel 2016, vinegar contains acetic acid which has antimicrobial and insecticidal properties, making it an effective natural preservative and pesticide component. Methodology. In my methodology, I use a comparative research design experimenting with three groups: homemade, commercial, and control. My participants and samples, I use 15 mosquitoes and divide them equally among three groups. Materials: 2 medium-sized onions, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 liter of water, blender or knife, mixing bowl, measuring cup and spoons, fine strainer or cheesecloth, spray bottle, gloves, insect testing containers or plastic bags, pen and notebook, phone or stopwatch. For the procedure, each mosquito was exposed to a specific pesticide, and the time until death was recorded. Data analysis. I use ANOVA to determine statistical difference in mosquito death times. Results. Average mosquito death time for commercial is 6.1 seconds, homemade 33.36 seconds. For control is 472.5 seconds. Now for statistical analysis, ANOVA results showed a significant difference were effective but at different speeds. Now in my discussion, the homemade pesticide was slower than the commercial one but still effective in killing mosquitoes. While chemical pesticides act faster, DIY alternatives are safer and more environmental friendly. This study supports the potential use of natural pesticides, but further research is needed to improve effectiveness. Now lastly, the conclusion. The homemade pesticide, though slower, proved to be an effective and eco-friendly alternative for mosquito control. It offers a safer option compared to the synthetic pesticides, but future studies should focus on enhancing its efficiency by optimizing the formulation. And these are the references that I use to support my research.